Thank you for taking part in this meditation. To start this meditation, please be seated comfortably, preferably in upright position, and close your eyes. Starting now. As I am talking to you, allow your mind to be calm. You are a conscious being, and during this meditation, allow yourself to be conscious. Allow yourself to be open and imaginative, and allow your heart to be filled with love. And allow yourself to breathe. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. We are grateful we can breathe air from this ancient and sacred planet, the same ground where our ancestors stood, and the same air that they breathed. In this state of consciousness, it is impossible for negativity to manifest or exist, whether you want it to or not. Knowing this, slowly allow yourself to feel completely unburdened in a moment of complete observation, silent observation, and reflection upon the day. Everything that happened today was supposed to happen, and we choose positive definitions when thinking of these things. Everything that happened unfolded as it was supposed to, and we will learn from these situations, and all of them are good. We are grateful and we congratulate ourselves for finishing the day. We are strong, conscious beings, and we will continue to work on ourselves and be positive and helpful to the world. As we continue to breathe, we allow our mind and our consciousness to expand. We let thoughts come and we let thoughts go. We are not our mind and we are not our body. We are something much greater than that, and we are all one. As we breathe, we feel strong connection to the earth, and we allow ourselves to feel the energy from the earth flow through our bodies in pure synchronicity. Now we imagine ourselves in outer space, floating above the earth. We imagine we look down, and everywhere we see is landmass, oceans, and our beautiful blue and green planet surrounding us and engulfing us. And we allow ourselves to feel small, and to feel insignificant, and to feel unburdened, because we are a part of this earth. And no one is a mistake, because creation doesn't make mistakes. And matter cannot be created nor destroyed. So we are all supposed to be here. And the proof of that is that we are here, and we are now. And as we meditate above this earth and look around in outer space, our problems wash away. And we realize we're just one cog in an infinite spinning universe. And we're an important cog. That's why we're here. And our problems melt away. And we realize that everything that happened today was supposed to happen. And that's why it happened. And we give the day a positive definition of love. And we're happy that we lived today, and that we had the day. Taking a moment of silent reflection, we allow ourselves to come back onto the earth and to be happy and filled with love. We are where we need to be, here and now. Everything we do is out of love, and we are so so very grateful for the love surrounding us and within us. Namaste.